Hello everyone. The most beautiful decoration are the ones filled with love. DIY ornaments made with family handmade, hanging by the fireplace, photo frame or past. Festival memories are here. These titles detail make your home truly special. After all, festival is not just about decoration. It's about creating lasting memories with the people you love most. So this holiday season, fill your home with twinkling lights, hair-filled ornaments, and the joy of togetherness. Let every room glow the festival cheer. Let every door glow the festive cheer, and every moment feel like pure Christmas magic, washing you a holiday season with full of love, laughter, and the beautiful memories. Would you like to see more designs? So join our channel. Our channel gives you a beautiful festival painting, trees, decoration ideas, illustration, and related about how to style your life. Hope you like that all designs, all luxurious ideas with festival trees. Festival is not just a season, it's a feeling of warmth, elegance, and timeless celebration. The year transform your home into a luxurious holiday retreat with stunning, sophisticated decoration ideas that capture the true spirit of festival in style. Start with a majestic festival tree as centerpiece of your decor. Choose the tall dress it in a harmonious palette of gold and ivory. Replace ordinary lights with warm, cascading fairy lights that create a glowing waterfall effect. Adorn your tree with crystal ornaments, satin ribbons, and delicate glass baubles for that five-star holiday sparkle. Set the tone for a magical evening with the lavishing living room draped velvet stocking over the masterpiece. Mantelpiece embellished it with frosted garlands and golden pine cones. So, place tall, elegant candles in silver holders on the coffee table, letting their flicker add warmth to the space. Finish with phlox fogs for throw the elegant embroidered cushions that invite cozy holiday moments in unmatched style.